Welcome back to another new exciting video, guys. AI just published another new exciting model and its name is OLMo Hybrid 7 billion. So I have already tested this model inside this Google Colab and I will share this whole code link in description. But before that, let me just explain you why this OLMo Hybrid model is a game changer model, because they are combining the two architecture. One is the transformer, another one is the linear RNN. Now previously we had this LNAI almost 7 billion. Now they have just added one word which is the hybrid. So when they added this hybrid word, then this hybrid 7 billion model is outperforming previous this 7 billion model. And when they released this 7 million billion model 1 year ago, at that time I made a video and there I reviewed that this model is actually best for kind of normal to medium task. Okay, now how this model is actually helping and why this new architecture is a game changer. So normally all of the models like GPT, Claude, Gemini, they use the transformer architecture. Okay, now what is the advantage in this transformer architecture? That it remembers everything. Okay, now the disadvantage is that for the long context document, means when the context grows, then the compute cost also grows. Okay, and it grows quadratically. But for the linear RNN, there the cost grows linearly. Okay, now the problem in RNN is that it cannot remember the whole context. Means if the context is very large, then it can remember some of the portion. Okay, as a compressed format. It cannot remember the whole context line by line. So transformer have some advantage for the remembering everything, and RNN have the advantage for reading the large context. Okay, so what Allen AI does that they combined both of this transformer and RNN, and they are using the some part of the transformer and some part of the RNN, and they are using it 3:1 ratio. So if you just go to their document, there you will understand. Here you see that 3 and here you see that 1. Okay, so here you see gated delta net. Gated delta net means the RNN. Okay, delta net means RNN. So 3 RNN and after that 1 attention layer. Attention layer means the transformer. Okay, 3 RNN and 1 transformer. This is the architecture. And now also what I mentioned previously, that in case of transformer, they have some limitations that when the context grows, so inference gets increasingly expensive. Okay, so that's why for the long context it gets highly cost effective. Okay, now to reduce the cost and also to use the long context capability, they use these both two architecture and combine them. Okay, now I have used this Google Colab to run this model, and here you see that I have asked it explain the artificial intelligence in simple word, and I have got this kind of output. Okay, now here you see that first I upgrade this Hugging Face hub, and after that I use this transformer. You don't worry, I will give this Google Colab link in description. You just open that and run it. Okay, so make sure you click on this run all. Okay, and also before running, please check the runtime. So just go to this runtime and here click on this change runtime type and select this runtime type to Python 3, and here make sure you selected this T4 GPU. If you don't select this T4 GPU, by default it selected to this CPU, so make sure you select this T4 GPU, otherwise it will take a lot of time to run your code. Okay, so make sure you select that T4 GPU, and here you see. Okay, after that here you see that I am loading this model here, OLMo Hybrid 7 billion, and here I am just asking the question. So here in this prompt section I have actually some of the questions, so I can actually ask this type of question also and I can get the answer. So just copy this question from here and go to this prompt section. Okay, And here you see that explain artificial intelligence in simple words. I have just asked and I got this kind of amazing answer from this model. Okay, now what I'll do, I will just replace it by my prompt, and yes, this prompt is this one, that sequence, what is the next number. Okay, so if I just run this, let's wait for the answer. So here you see that I got the output. The answer is 67, and also it has given this explanation, and also after the 67 what can be the next number. It has given it in the form of logic. Okay, and if I just check it, yes, answer is 67. So it got matches. Okay, so in this way you can ask many questions to this model. So now if you ask me that what can be the best use case of this model OLMo Hybrid 7 billion. So if you have the large code base and you understand that whole code base, then there you can use this model, because this model really have the capability to read the large context with a less cost, and also it is free and open source. And another use case can be for reading the large document. Okay, so let's say you want to read one research paper, or you say that you have a book which has the multiple pages. There you can use this model for reading that whole document. So because this model is a cost effective, also means your cost will be reduced, and you also will get the best advantage. Okay, and also if you are preparing any kind of chat bot, and there you are uploading a huge number of documents, there this model can be used. Okay, so these are the some use cases where you can use this model. So I think that you got this video helpful, and also the step-by-step explanation what is happening, and why this model is using this hybrid architecture, and how they are reducing the cost, and how it is helping us. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. And all of these code link are given in description, so go there and check it and try it, and let me know your thought, your experience with this model in the comment section.